Why does my HVAC system squeak only when it starts? It usually means a belt, motor bearing, or fan part is dry, loose, or just beginning to wear out. When your heating and cooling system first turns on, it has to move from stillness to motion very quickly, and that first moment puts the most stress on moving parts. If a belt is in the unit, it can slip for a second before it grips, and that makes a squeak. If the blower motor has worn bearings, they may squeal most when they begin spinning because cold metal has not warmed up and moved smoothly yet. A dusty fan wheel can also make a high sound as it starts to turn, especially if something is rubbing. One lesser-known thing is that sound can travel through metal ductwork, so the squeak may seem far away from the real problem. If the noise only lasts a few seconds, that often points to a startup friction issue rather than a major failure. The best thing you can do is listen carefully to whether the sound comes from the indoor unit, the outdoor unit, or the air vents, because that helps narrow it down. If you notice burning smell, weak airflow, or the sound getting louder, shut the system off and have it checked soon. A common mistake is ignoring a short squeak because it still starts up, but small friction problems often get worse over time. A simple fix like replacing a worn belt or lubricating the right bearing can stop damage before it spreads. Another mistake is assuming the squeak is coming from the vents when the blower motor is actually the source, so try to notice where the sound is strongest. People also miss that dirty filters can make the fan work harder at startup, which can make weak parts complain louder, so changing filters on time really helps. If the noise changes with temperature, that is a clue that a part is expanding and contracting, and that usually means wear. Keep an eye on whether the squeak happens every start or only after the system has been off for a while. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.